Hi, in front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Following that, click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Contact. Now click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. In order to delete one of them, tap on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and hit remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!